boys and girls, how are you? We hope that your teachers helped you to do your homework. And
yes, and today we will start with the theme sounds.
You will learn how to read the sound A, how to write the letters A, Y.
Let's begin our lesson.
What is it?
It is a tail. Tail.
So you see, A-I has the pronunciation A. Yes, right.
Tail.
Let's read the following words. Listen and check.
Tail.
Rain,
Train.
snail. Please find the words that rhyme. Write them in your exercise book and read them aloud. For example,
Yes, so what is to rhyme? As for tail, snail. So for example, tail, snail. So these words rhyme. Next example is rain.
so if I'm not mistaken, rain rhymes with the word train. Is it right?
No, you are not right. So as you see, rain rhymes with the word brain.
So remember, boys and girls,
Let's take the word sail.
sail and snail are rhymed.
No, you are not right. Sail and mail rhyme. So sail, mail.
Chain,
It's train. So chain and train rhyme.
so boys and girls, don't forget about it. Let's write them down. Open your exercise books, take the pen and write.
Yes. So the example is tail, snail. Let's write the next word. Rain, brain.
Chain, train.
Sail, mail.
I would like you to listen to us, look at the pictures and say,
Snail, train. Follow a trail.
brainy, sail a ship, mail. So let's read and say a very short poem about Daisy the snail.
So let's listen to me. Daisy is a brainy snail. She can drive a train and bring the mail. She can sail a ship or follow a trail. Yes, Daisy is a brainy snail.
Let's read it again. Daisy is a brainy snail. She can drive a train and bring the mail. She can sail a ship or follow a trail. Yes, Daisy is a brainy snail. Match the words to the picture. For it, you should answer the questions. What is picture A?
I think it's a tail.
You are right. What is picture B?
It's a chain.
You are absolutely right.
So the next one.
What is picture C?
It is a mail.
You are right. You are a good pupil. Well,
Thank you. So what is a picture D?
so if I am not mistaken, this picture is a dog.
No. What do you think? So it is a snail.
Oh, thank you very much. So
No
I will
problem.
remember. Well, what is picture E? Is it snow?
No. It is rain.
What is picture F?
It is train.
Let's check your spelling. Please write missing letters. For
What's
it,
the
you will be
first?
given some minutes. Open your exercise books.
Yes,
Write
let's
these
write.
words. Yeah.
Let's check up. The first, snail, sail, chain, tail.
Train, mail, brain, trail. Boys and girls, I think you are right. Which word has the sound A? Do you know?
Okay, let's read these words. Box, mother, tail. Which word? I think it's tail.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Cow, snail, nice. So I think snail is
Has
right.
this- okay, yes. Trail, rooster, heavy. Trail has the sound A.
You are right. You know sounds very well.
Thank you.
Well,
So the next one. Train, light, or tall.
train
Yes. Scene.
has the sound A.
Yes, you are right.
Thin, horse, brain.
I think it's brain. What do you think?
I think
Yes.
our boys and girls think the same. Small, chain, chick.
Chain.
You are right.
Yes. Let's summarize our lesson. Today we have learned the sound A. Also,
Yes, which help us and you how to read some words and write them with the letters AI, which give what sound?
A.
You are right.
For example, tail. Don't forget about it.
And your homework will be to learn these new words with the letters AI, which pronounce A by heart.
So good luck. See you next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, boys and girls.